You might know Wireframe as a basic design deliverable, but it's much more than that. Form and functionality of the product are first conceived in here. So, a better wireframe equals a better final product. Let's have a closer look at how senior designers wireframe. Number 1. Multiple iterations of core pages. Senior designers start with iterating the core pages that will be used 80% of the time before they get into rest of the pages. Multiple concepts for core pages are made initially. And these pages eventually differentiate the product and clearly convey the vision of the product. Number 2. No dummy text. Senior designers refrain from using dummy content in their designs. Sure, lorem ipsum is convenient, but wireframe created with dummy content have a problem. Real content may not fit perfectly in the same layout, so get used to the habit of using real content, which is basically 50% of the design. Number 3. Using more high-fidelity wireframes. Senior designers create more of high-fidelity wireframes in their designs. That's because they contain plenty of intricate interaction details that are absent in low-fidelity ones. And these details enable seamless communication with various stakeholders and facilitate better feedback from them. Number 4. Interaction documentation along with the wireframe. There are certain intricate interaction details like scrolls, animation, pop-up effects, etc. that cannot be represented on a wireframe. But these are very important for an amazing user experience. Senior designers usually document these so that the stakeholders won't miss them. Doing this saves a ton of time and increases the ROI tremendously. Number 5. Implementation of the hierarchy. After understanding the information architecture, it's time to implement them on the wireframe. Designers create multiple concepts until the important content and functionalities are prioritized in the user flow. You can't afford to have them buried down, else you'll miss the entire point of having a wireframe. That's about it. These are some of the ways senior designers approach wireframing from the experience they've had.